So today I'm working on the new Laravel news website, and I've implemented Jetstream for like a your account section. And so now I was thinking, as you sign up, it would be kind of cool to have a little checkbox here to give you the option to sign up for the newsletter. But since this is Jetstream, it's not directly part of my app. So I wanted to go through how you could build something like that. So let's get started and open up PHP Storm. Open up your editor of choice, of course, but I'm using PHP Storm here. The register blade, and we want to come down to the bottom. Jetstream has this feature called has terms and privacy policy, and basically what that does is saying you have to agree to the terms and conditions. I have this turned off, but I'm going to steal the code there. Swap out terms for newsletter, and then swap out the original message with my new one saying, would you like to join the newsletter? And then if we swap back over to the browser and refresh, yes, we now have the checkbox here. So the question comes in customizing this is, how do we do it? Because I don't have a register controller, and this form is actually going to an action called register. So let's find that file. We can do PHP artisan route list, and I think we can say path equals register. There we go. The post request is going to the registered user controller store method. So let's open that up. Go to the store method, and here is where all the magic happens, so to speak. So they pass in the request. It has a create new user and lowercase usernames, and then it fires an event and finally does the redirection and everything. So we could tap into the event. However, this is coming from creator create, which is an interface. So let's find what integrates this. So create new user, which is actually an app actions fortify create new user. So this is something that we own. That's not part of vendor or anything. It first goes through the validation, and then it creates the user. So we could, so the problem is the create, this is only returning the brand new user object. So we couldn't hook into this event because we don't have any of the input data. So let's go over here, swap this out. We're going to change this to user equals, and then return the user. And then I believe right here, we can say if input newsletter, and we're just going to dump out join the newsletter. And actually this, I believe, should be an is set because a checkbox would not be part of the array if it's not checked. With that in place, swap to our browser. Let's sign up real fast. Let's do Eric12345 at mytest.com. Give us a password and then register. And there we go. Join the newsletter. So the question comes in is, how would you integrate here? So you could either just, put the code, directly in line, or you could fire your own event, or I think those are your two best options. I would, since I own this, I would probably do it in line, but an event's always a good option. That way you can reuse it later for other things. So anyway, this is an easy way to modify Jetstream to add a newsletter sign-up form on the registration. So hope it helps. Have a wonderful day.